From the mountain's icy crown to the salt of the deep sea, you are the blood of the living world, the essence of the free. You carve the stone with patience, you find the lowest place, a mirror for the weeping willow, a veil upon the face. You wash away the dust of toil, you heal the parched and dry. You fall in crystal diamonds from the weeping of the sky. In the river's rushing laughter, in the lake's serene repose, you are the secret liquid path that every spirit knows. The cradle of the firstborn cell, in your transparent mystery, the ancient secrets dwell. Thank you for the purity, for the thirst you satisfy, the holy nectar of the earth that will never let us die. Change your shape but keep your heart, from mist to solid ice. You are the price of survival and the beauty of the price. In every drop a universe, in every wave a song. To your rhythmic tidal heartbeat, we all of us belong. Cleansing every part, rising as a gentle mist to soothe a heavy heart. Oceans roar and rain soft tap, a symphony of wet, a gift of grace and mercy that we never should forget. Oh, water, the cradle of the firstborn cell, in your transparent mystery, the ancient secrets dwell. Thank you for the purity, for the thirst you satisfy, the holy nectar of the earth that will never let us die. Teach me how to yield like you, to find the way around, to soften every hardened edge and heal the barren ground. For the cloud, the well, the fountain, for the stream so clear and bright, I thank you for your liquid soul and your reflective light.